Hi, everybody. I just wanted to give some clarification about the persuasive essay. A couple things. It is formal writing. So this is more of a, like this is not an analysis because you're not analyzing anything, but moving forward, all essays will be formal for sure. So make sure that you're using formal writing with that. Secondly, you do need outside sources for this. So if you look at the evidence and like all the different evidences, is that a word? Sure. That pop up, you want to make sure that you have evidence from outside sources. So your topic needs to be able to be researched. So it is your opinion, but and again, if you were in class, I'll try and upload today the thing in the book about like the facts versus opinions. So this is an opinion, like it's your opinion, but your opinion also needs to be backed up with facts as to why this makes sense. So you just can't argue because you think you're right. It needs to be your opinion plus the evidence from outside sources. So I know some of you are going to do like why like doing school in actual school classrooms is better than online. That's great. Use statistics. So look at kids' grades versus online versus in school. So you need to have those statistics. So with this, typically with this kind of essay, you're looking at statistics. So high level statistics, facts, things like that, you want to make sure that it's not just all opinions. So this is very heavy with outside resources. So websites, articles, you're pulling outside resources for sure. You need to cite that. So again, I'll post some more like how to cite things properly, but this is definitely a cited paper. This is probably going to be about 3 pages. Once you include quotes, outside resources, your 3 different opinions, things like that. And I'll keep posting, but I really want to do this step by step with you so that you don't get overwhelmed and that we do things correctly. So that's why I'm having you do your brainstorming and your little mini like your abridged outline first, so I can look at those and then let you start. So if you have some sources that you want to go ahead and attach to your outline that you found and then submit that, that's great. But it can't just be your opinion with no resources. So like you have to have a works cited page with all those resources listed. Also, forgive me for, I feel like there's a delay in just moving forward with like posting questions and trying to read and do all these things. So bear with me. I'm trying to get things graded and prep and do all these things. So keep reading your book. Keep working on this. I'm going to post some grammar how-tos in a little bit. Just trying to keep us as busy as possible. Not busy, but like still maintain class, but also I'm trying to just survive and make sure that you're surviving and make sure that we can do this together. So anyway, if you have more questions on the paper, just message me, but it is formal. But right now you're just working on your abridged outline, so I can check to make sure that you have sources and that it's credible and that there's research and evidence and whatnot, and then we'll move forward from there. So anyway, happy Tuesday. Hope you're doing okay. Miss you. Bye.